definitely not a copy of Animal Planet.
This is Look Animals. Today we're going to be interviewing a pond of ducks. Hey you, duck one, what are you doing? He does not seem to want to answer me. What about you? What are you doing? Nothing. Okay, these ducks are not very talkative. I hear a bunch of quacking, but that's about it. Oh, maybe they don't speak English. Well, they all seem to be running from me, and that's gonna have to end it for today. Ooh, he looks nice. Over to you.
And we're live at the stormiest place on Stormberg. Today we are riding straight into the heart of a storm, so that way we might get some good footage of it. Okay, looks like there's some lightning. It's really bad, as you can tell. Yo, that was bad. Whoa!
I just got struck!
Okay, as you can tell, there's very many people who are getting struck by lightning here. That was bad too. Okay, we may want to leave, but this is very dangerous. Okay. Oh, that one was bad. So let's see a replay of that. Wait, no. Okay, never mind. Not a replay. Maybe I'll get a replay next time. That was my other person. Whoa, that was bad. Let's get a replay on that one. Whoa, look at that. It like strikes the ground and then comes out. Well, it seems like there's several people getting fried today. And there's clear skies and bright areas. Yes, areas.
Ow!
Short amounts of time.
Please help me!
It seems that we need a medic. Please call 911 immediatme.
Today, we're going to be trying to catch a wild cashew for Look Nature. Look Nature.
There he is. Oh no! Help me!